Welcome to the Sleep Stories channel by UZZ. I am delighted to share a new story with you. Before we begin, please take a deep breath and relax your body. Then, find the most comfortable position for yourself and get ready to soar into the universe of stories. A long, long time ago, when the people on earth began to gaze up at the night sky, the moon became a mysterious messenger in their hearts. For thousands of years, no earthling knew what the far side of the moon looked like. Some said there was the Guanhan Palace where Chang'e and the Jade Rabbit lived. Others said it was a dark, vast sea that absorbed all light. Still others claimed it was a secret alien base, which was why they were never allowed to see it. Actually, on the far side of the moon was a vast orchard. But unlike orchards on Earth, this one on the moon grew stars as its fruit. In this star orchard grew all varieties of star fruit trees. When night fell, the star fruits on the trees would gently sway, giving off a soft glow. When the star fruits ripened, they would slowly drift down onto the lunar soil. Some star fruits refused to become actual stars, stubbornly choosing to stay put. Under the starlight, they would slowly take root and sprout into new star fruit trees. The other star fruits that wished to become real stars would happily play and communicate with their kin for a while before eventually journeying together to the starry sea, finally transforming into genuine stars. No one knows when it began, but at some point a little gardener appeared in the star orchard. The little gardener had originally been a ripe star fruit, but he didn't want to become a star fruit tree rooted in place forever, nor did he want to turn into a star far from home. So he started aimlessly wandering the star orchard, sometimes loosening the soil around a star fruit tree, sometimes chatting with the unripe star fruits and those about to become stars to pass the time. Gradually, he became the gardener everyone acknowledged. As if it were his destiny, the little gardener thought these peaceful days would last forever. But one day he suddenly noticed that all the star fruit trees in the orchard showed signs of withering, and even the glow from the star fruits had almost disappeared. At first he thought it was because he had not done his job properly, causing this situation, so he redoubled his efforts, tending to the star fruit trees and fruits as best he could. But they showed no signs of improvement. The little gardener was at a loss until he learned from an ancient star fruit tree that the main nourishment for the star fruit tree's growth came from the hopes of the people on earth. Countless hopes coalesced into the source that nourished their growth. And without hope, the star fruit trees would naturally lose their vitality. The little gardener realized with dawning awareness. But then his head started hurting. How could he rekindle the hopes of the people on earth? The little gardener decided to take those ripe star fruits that had not yet left the far side of the moon on a trip to Earth. Because he remembered the elders saying that earthlings like to watch the stars. If so many stars suddenly came to Earth together, surely they would be overjoyed. That way, hope would be continuously replenished. Right? So together they boarded a small meteor heading for Earth. High in the sky, the star fruits frolicked freely, giving off their luminous glow. For them, this was just an interesting, novel short journey, but for the people of Earth, it was an unprecedented, once-in-a-millennium meteor shower spectacle. Of course the Earthlings would not miss such a rare opportunity. They devoutly closed their eyes, put their hands together, and silently made countless wishes. Although the meteor shower only lasted a short while before dissipating, it had planted seeds of hope in the hearts of the people on Earth. The little gardener and the star fruits secretly left Earth and returned to the star fruit orchard on the far side of the moon. Sure enough, before long the star fruit orchard was teeming with life again, with fresh new star fruits growing on the trees, giving off a warm, bright radiance. The little gardener looked proudly at the vibrant scene in the orchard, overjoyed. As long as the people on Earth kept hope in their hearts, the star fruit orchard would continue to thrive. And countless stars would fly out from the far side of the moon, twinkling endlessly, bringing them unending sweet dreams.